Hey everyone, if you're about to enter your third year of dental school and wondering what your clinical postings will look like, you're in the right place. In today's video, I will be walking you through everything you will be doing during your third year clinical postings, from scaling to RPDs to working with kids. Let's break it down, and by the end, you will have a clear
Wow.
idea of what to expect in each department. So, let's get started. First up, we have periodontics, or perio for short. In your perio posting, you will be doing hand scaling on patients. Yes, you will actually be cleaning teeth. You will also be giving demonstrations on proper brushing techniques and teaching patients how to use interdental aids like floss and interdental brushes. Another thing to keep in mind is that in the second term, you will be also taking the case history for this patient. So, gear up your practice on patient communication and clinical skills. Next, we move on to prosthodontics. In this posting, you will be making RPDs, removable partial dentures, and CDs, complete dentures. While you don't need to worry about the exact quota number, just know what you will be expected to complete at least 8 to 10 RPDs and at least 3 to 4 CDs during this term. It's a big part of your training, so make sure to get hands on with the process. Moving on to conservative dentistry. In this posting, you will be doing various fillings like class 1, class 2, and MOD. You will also work with GIC and silver amalgam fillings. One of the key things you will be doing here is ZOE dressing, and yes, you will be taking case histories from the first term as well. Class 2 patients can be tricky to find, so be patient and just know that you will have a post hand exam on this patients. Next up, we have Public Health Dentistry, or PhD. Here, you will be learning about various dental indices like the Plaque Index, Calculus Index, Oral Hygiene Index, DMFT, Decade Missing, and Filled Teeth. These are crucial for understanding oral health on a larger scale. You will be recording and mentioning them in your journal. It's all about learning how to assess public health and dental care of populations. Now, let's talk about orthodontics. In this department, you will be working on various types of wires and clasps like straight wires, U's, V's, circles, triangles, and squares. Then you will be move on to making clasps such as the Adams clasp, Z spring, labial bows, and the U clasp. It's all about learning and hands-on practice. Moving on to OMDR, Oral Medicine and Radiology. In this posting, you will be taking IOPAs in the OR department and developing them from scratch. This is where you will get familiar with radiology protocols. In the OD department, you will be diagnosing patients and referring them based on the most significant chief complaint. So get ready to enhance your diagnostic skills. And last but not least, we have periodontics, which is all about working with kids. In this posting, you will be doing extractions of primary teeth along with prophylaxis, scaling, and polishing in children. You will be also performing fluoride applications for young patients. So, if you love working with kids, this department will definitely be your favorite. So that's a quick review of what you will be doing during your third year clinical postings. Just keep in mind that each department might have different protocols depending on your college, so always follow the guidelines provided by your faculty. But overall, this is what you can expect. I hope this gives you a clearer idea of what's ahead. And don't forget, as mentioned in the description, you can avail a 5% discount at the store using the codes MedicoSister or That Brown Dentist when shopping for your dental supplies. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with your fellow dental students. Drop any questions or comments below, and I will be happy to help. See you next time, and good luck with your postings. Bye.